Next, what I want to talk about is import-export of proven toolpaths. I have this part here. So I have all my roughing operations, I have my finishing operations, and I have all my drilling and a deburr. We went, proved this out, went corrected speeds and feeds. Everything's working good for this material. Everything's dialed in. My tools are all inside of here. We're good. Now, a couple things we can do. Me personally, I like to export out tools, and I would save it to a different file. Let's just go here's my roughing. I saved it into a folder for steel. I'll export those out. Nothing changes in this file. So that's one way I would do it. I'm going to look at this other part we have. We have no operations, and we have nothing in the toolpath tool manager. Let me set up my stock real quick. We have our stock set up. Cool. I'm going to bring in some of the operations from that proven part. So, two ways to do it. Right click, import, and navigate to where I know that proven part's at. Change my selection filters to Mastercam part files, and I can bring in the actual roughing toolpaths. I can select which ones I want, import them in. Awesome. So we're going to notice is our tool manager brought in the tools. It's going to keep the same speeds and feeds that were used on the proven toolpath. And let's go see how quick we can get this done. So we have that hole. I'm going to set my linking parameters. We set our geometry, so I'm going to say from outside, avoid. Set my linking on this. And I'll just go to the top. Let that one generate. We need to add geometry to this guy. Set our depths. So we have that all roughed out. This guy we're going to say stay inside, machining regions. I'm going to do cavities blind, select this face, get those real quick. Set my linking. And voila, we have everything roughed out super quick.